The biggest lie in the creative industry is that hard work equals a better video. We've been conditioned to think that if an edit didn't take you 40 hours and 3 mental breakdowns, it's not art. But after years of editing, I realized the truth. The most successful editors aren't the ones who work the hardest, they're the ones who are the most aggressively lazy. If you're still sitting at your desk until 3 a.m. fighting with a single transition, you haven't mastered your craft, you've become a slave to your software. I'm going to show you why speed isn't about how fast your fingers move on the keyboard. It's about how many decisions you can eliminate before you even start. The first rule of the fast editor is the 80/20 of visuals. 80% of your audience's emotional response comes from 20% of your clips. Beginners try to make every single frame a masterpiece, which is a recipe for burnout. Pros identify the hero shots, those 3 or 4 moments that actually matter, and they let everything else just support the story. If you stop trying to make every cut a work of art, your speed will triple instantly. The second rule is the assembly line. Most people edit like they're painting a picture. A little color here, a little sound there, a little text at the end. That is a massive waste of cognitive energy. Every time you switch tasks, your brain has to reload that skill. Instead, we're going to batch everything. We cut the story first. Then we do all the audio. Then we do all the color. By staying in one mode, you reach a flow state where the software starts to feel like an extension of your body rather than a tool you're fighting with. Finally, we have to talk about the ego. Most editors are slow because they're afraid of using templates, presets, or, dare I say it, AI. They think using a shortcut is cheating. But here's the reality. Your viewer doesn't care if you hand animated that graph or if you used a template. They only care if the video is good. If you can get a 95% perfect result in 5 minutes using a tool versus a 100% result in 5 hours by hand, the lazy choice is the only professional choice. Speed is freedom. When you edit faster, you have more time to think about the big picture. You have more time to experiment. And most importantly, you have more time to live your life. You don't need a faster computer, you need a more ruthless philosophy.